Xin chào, hello everyone. This is Hello Vietnamese, perfect your Vietnamese pronunciation. I am Trang Chi Bi. Last time, we already learned how to pronounce the first 3 letters of the Vietnamese alphabet. Today, let's do some more practices and reviews. First, let's repeat after me. Ba, ba, sa, sa, chăn, chăn, khăn, khăn, sân, sân, cân, cân. Now, I will read out loud one word and let's choose from the screen which one I have just read. Mang, mang, xanh, xanh, tấn, tấn, lăn, lăn. Now let's check the answer. This is all the words I have just read. Good job! And that's all for today. See you in our next lesson.